Hi there, Chris here. I thought we'd have a little quick lever lock picking fun. So yesterday I got this 2-lever Belfry from Peter Lewis. Works very nicely. And sometimes these 2 levers can be sort of, not tricky, but can kind of give you a little bit of a fight. The 2 levers are in the back. And if we try this UK lockpicker's tool and we go to tension, what I'm feeling there is a lot of spring back, which means I'm on one of the levers, which we don't want that. So we're going to go down to the next smaller one. This is the UK lockpicker tools cabinet. This is from their cabinet pick set. So that one tensions it, but it doesn't hit the first lever. And then I'm going to take this homemade tool, put that in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of tension on this. And go back and forth between the 2 levers gently. And you'll feel a little bit of movement. And I got some movement, and there we go. So we're in, and hopefully we can get this out. Now, because we wanted the narrowness of this, so we're only, tensioning the bolt, we end up with it's not high enough. So we are picked, but we're not in. So you just go in here with your pick wire and gently and feel for that bolt. When I go on the left side, feel for the bolt. And you hear that little click? What I've done is just turned that bolt a little bit more and we're in. So that's how to pick these guys. This one I got from Peter Lewis. It's gorgeous. I have not been able to pick it yet. It's very, very similar to this one. They're almost identical. But I have not been able to pick this one yet. And these, as you see here, they tension instead of like, we'll see, well, actually, these guys tension off to the side there. Other locks are more upright when you encounter the bolt. But I tend to have problems with these. And this is a 4-lever, that's a 4-lever. Getting these picked, and I'm just gonna show you how I go about it, but I don't expect to get a open because I have not figured this one out yet. So we'll get in there. It feels like I'm not really picking up the levers. I'm going to try this other longer, although thinner, pick wire. This is the one I use for chubs, for cruisers and such. So we'll get in here. Yeah, I can't remember what. See, I'm not like getting on any levers. Let's see if I can figure out the difference here. Because this one I have picked and have picked it on my channel. Well, that's interesting because it's tensioning. It's not tensioning here, it's tensioning there. And maybe that's the difference. So it may be a tensioning issue. Yeah, this one I'm all over the levers. Boom, 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 boom. And you just pick, and you get in. So I guess I do have to figure out, let's see See where that's pointing? See where this is pointing? So although these locks look identical, and they have the identical patent number, they seem to have a different setup inside. Anyway, I'll have to explore that further. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, a question, and we will see you next time.